Welcome back with another video with me today as your host Cartens from audio Anak Muda. And hari ini di Cartens di Jakarta, we have done this new Honda Brio from Cartens di Jakarta. This is the Honda Brio daily use two-way system, and now we're going to discuss it and we're going to review it. Jadi, without further ado, kita lanjut aja. Alright guys, sekarang kita lanjut nih Kak Joy, lanjut ke dalam. Okay guys, we're now in the front of the car and we're going to review the system, this two-way daily use system. Okay, we're going to close the door. Okay, this is the Focus Elite, and you can see that this is not the original spot. This is here, this is the original spot, but today we're in the door because this is the custom Twitter area, the custom design for the door of the car, of the Honda Brio for the system. And then this is the new Focus Elite, which is mentioned before in the Cartens team that this is the new design, so it has a black grille instead of a chrome one like the old Focus Elite has. This has the black one. And then we're going to move on to the center of the car. The center of the car here. This is the original head unit from the factory, from the Honda factory. And then we're going to move on back down here. Di bawah there is the ground zero controller. And then what does this controller do? This controller does volume controls and watts. Okay, kita dengar deh. So here, this is the front area. This is the passenger seat. This is the driver seat. And then you also have a monoblock and a amplifier, a processor. So it's a two-in-one. It's a two-in-one package. So di sebelah kiri we have the monoblock from Zapco, and then di sebelah sini, di sebelah kanan ini, in the driver's seat, right under us we have the ground zero, DSP, amplifier and processor. So it's a two-in-one. It's a two-in-one package. So it's a great choice if you have minimal space but you want to still have like great sound and excellent sound. Okay guys, now we're going to move on to the back of the car. In this back of the car, we have the passive subwoofer. This is the 10-inch subwoofer. Again, dari ground zero. And as you can see, very aesthetic ya, jangan sangat estetik. And then ini kita buka guys, sini Kak Joy. Siap, kita buka. Wah, ban serepnya masih di dalam ya. So this is still usable as a storage space. Jadi masih bisa dipakai di storage aslinya. Habis itu ini masih ada toolboxnya. Habis itu masih ada ban serepnya. Habis itu masih ada emergency kitnya. Nah, everyone has a question. How do you get the spare tire out? Nah, ini guys, di dalam ban serepnya ini, di dalam box ban serepnya ini, itu ada socket. So, what this socket does is like, you can take it off, so you can get the spare tire out and use it. So, this is elegant, and it's still usable. because it also has the LED lights so it's like click to the whole system itself. So it's elegant and simple and it's for daily use. Okay, Carteners, I think that's it from this Honda Brio daily use two-way active system from Cartens Audio Jakarta. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this to your friends so they know what is up with this car, this Honda Brio. And then thank you for watching again. Thank you so much, guys. And if you want more information, please datang aja ke Cartens Audio Jakarta di Indonesia. We are happy to serve you and we are happy to give you the best sound quality upgrades for your car. Okay guys, this is it. Lastly, from your host today, Santo from audionya Muda. Thank you guys. Siap. Goodbye.